Dental implants are a popular and effective way to replace missing teeth, but the process can seem overwhelming to those who are considering it. In this step-by-step guide, we EuroLL break down the process of getting dental implants so you know exactly what to expect. First, your dentist will evaluate your oral health and determine if you are a good candidate for dental implants. This may involve x-rays and scans to assess the condition of your jawbone. Once you are approved for the procedure, the next step is to place the implant into your jawbone. This will serve as the foundation for your new tooth. After the implant has healed and fused with the bone, an abutment is attached to it. This connects the implant to the artificial tooth. Finally, a custom-made crown is placed on top of the abutment, completing the process. While getting dental implants may take several months from start to finish, the end result is worth it. EuroLL have a natural-looking, permanent solution to replace your missing tooth and restore your smile.